What's up, Gearheads? It's me, Gearaholic here. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys some really simple and easy modifications you can do to your cold steel Frontier Hawk that you can do in a single afternoon, and it's a lot of fun. And maybe you can take something that looks kind of like this and turn it into something that looks like. Alright guys, so let's get started. Remember, safety first. So here are a few things you're going to need. 60 and 120 grit sandpaper, rubber gloves, linseed oil, pencil, glass bowl, vinegar, and a Dremel tool if you have it. Start by removing the tension screw. You can keep it or throw it away. You're going to notice a gap in between the handle and the hawk head. This isn't a problem, we're going to go ahead and fix that right now. Start by tapping on the top of the head with a hammer and separate the two. If you examine the top of the handle, you're going to see smooth or flat spots on the surface. This is a really bad fit between the tomahawk head and the handle. Take the pencil and mark those areas. This is going to make it easier to spot those areas when using the 60 grit sandpaper. Start by using the sandpaper and remove those marked edges to begin to fit the handle to the head. Repeat this step as many times as necessary until you get the desired fit and finish of the head. Next, if you have a butane torch or lighter, go outside. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. If you use the butane lighter, you can carefully scorch the outer layer of the handle. This brings a beautiful pattern onto the outside of the wood. Using 60 and 120 grit sandpaper, finish off the handle. Take your rubber gloves and go ahead and put them on. We're going to go ahead and apply the linseed oil to the outside of the wood. Cover the surface liberally and then let it stand for 20 minutes. You can repeat this step up to 3 times or more, depending on your preference. The head of the tomahawk has a rust-proof black coating. To remove this, use either sandpaper or your Dremel tool. This will make short work of this process. I finished the head of my tomahawk off with 400 grit sandpaper and then moved to 600 grit sandpaper just to clean it up. Now it's time to make your acetate. Place the hawk head in the glass dish and fill with vinegar until the head is submerged. Add more than you think to compensate for evaporation. I'm using distilled white vinegar, but any vinegar should work. Place the bowl in the microwave for 2 to 5 minutes or until boiling. Remove carefully and place in the well-ventilated space. I took mine outside. Place a hawk head inside of the liquid bath and observe the chemical reaction that takes place. This particular patina creates acetate and hydrogen when the vinegar reacts with the iron oxide, causing a thin layer of rust to form. This layer prevents any further corrosion to the axe head. After leaving it in the vinegar bath for more than 15 to 30 minutes, check the head. You can repeat the steps previous about microwaving the bowl and placing the hawk head back in for longer periods of time to get a darker, deeper patina. Alright guys, so that's it. Here is the final product. It's completed. I really am happy with the overall appearance of it. I think it looks exceptional. It's going to be an excellent piece of equipment to use, and on top of that, it looks really old and classic, and I like that. The patina obviously turned out really well. It looks pretty good. There's a weird line here. I don't know why this line showed up. I think it's just something in the metal, but I think it still looks pretty cool, especially because I left these specks of black paint in there. I think that looks pretty neat. And then here's the handle. I think looks really cool. You know, that whole wood, burnt wood look, I just think looks really cool. So the head of the axe and the handle come together, and they're much sharper of an angle. So that's really great. That's what all that grinding gets you. No gaps, no nothing. If you'd like to see more content, please like and subscribe to my videos, and it would really help me out. As I always say, don't forget to unplug and go outdoors. I'm Gearaholic, and I'm signing out. Ciao.